Card 5. Nightmares of Nature. Saltwater Crocodile. Lurking in muddy waters, the saltwater crocodile bursts from its hiding place to ambush passing prey, even animals as big as a water buffalo. The loose-lunged, leathery monster is now the largest living reptile in the world. Good point. Each tooth is like a sharp spike and is replaced by a new tooth as it wears out, so the crocodile never loses its teeth as it gets older. This is one reason why it can live so long. Great tail. Using powerful sweeps of its long tail, the crocodile can move at blinding speed and burst from the surface like a missile. The tail also helps the animal steer. Creature features. Species: Crocodilus porosus. Size: length up to 23 feet, weight up to 2,100 pounds. Habitat: stream and coastal waters, from India to northern Australia. Prey: fish, birds, pigs, deer, buffalo, monkeys, and people. Lifespan: up to 100 years. This mouth it's yummy for a tummy.